Now, if I go to open the other view, which I was in before, and here we are by country. One click, one click, you have everything by country, and one click, you have everything by sector. Okay, and done. Here, you do your strategy based on what? You might say, okay, I'm closing some of the regional offices or countries, or minimize, scale it down, and remove the responsibilities for business development and bidding to the regional, to the headquarter departments. Depends on the departments you have. You might have, uh, transportation and airports also inside transportation. Maybe you will have ports also under one department, transportation, airports, and ports. Urban developments and building, here it is. It's for big developments and buildings. You might include buildings in this, or you might have buildings different. Health projects also might be under buildings. Depends on your strategy, depends on how you are specialized, what you are specialized in. You build the system.